In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Calendly meeting link. Whether you're a busy professional trying to manage your appointments or someone simply looking for an efficient way to share your availability, Calendly is a fantastic tool for simplifying scheduling. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log in, find your event links, and share them with ease. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. You can do this by typing www.calendly.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the page, so it should be easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need to select your preferred login method. Calendly offers a few options here. If you're using Google Calendar and want to make syncing your availability seamless, click on the Continue with Google option. Alternatively, you can choose one of the other login methods available if you prefer. Pick the option that works best for you. If you decide to log in with Google, you'll see a list of the Google accounts connected to your browser. Select the account associated with the calendar you'd like to use with Calendly. Keep in mind that if your browser is already signed in, it might automatically choose your primary account. But don't worry, if it doesn't pick the right one, you can manually click on the account you want to use. Once that's done, you'll be taken to a permissions page. Here, click Continue to grant Calendly access to your calendar. This step is crucial because it allows Calendly to check your availability and prevent double bookings, ensuring your scheduling stays smooth and hassle-free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard from here. Navigate to your events page. Depending on your setup, you might already see your event types listed on this dashboard. Alternatively, you can go directly to your Calendly URL, followed by /event, -types. Either approach will get you to the same place. Now, locate the event type for which you want to find the meeting link. Calendly organizes your events here, so scroll through the list until you find the one you're looking for. Once you've found it, look for the Copy Link option next to the event name. It might appear as a button or a small icon, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click it. This will copy the link to your clipboard. With the link copied, you can now paste it wherever you need to share it. For example, you can add it to an email, send it in a text message, or even include it in a social media post. Sharing this link is what allows your invitees to view your availability and book a meeting slot with just a few clicks. Before sharing your link, take a moment to ensure your event is set up correctly. Double-check your available times, any buffer times you've added between meetings, and the overall details of the event. Proper setup ensures that everything runs smoothly for both you and your invitees. Finally, think about how you want to share your link. If the event is public, feel free to share it widely so anyone can book time with you. But if the event is for specific individuals or small groups, make sure to share it in a more controlled and private manner to maintain its exclusivity. And that's it. You now know how to log into Calendly, find your event links, and share them with others. This simple process makes managing your schedule more efficient and helps you avoid the back and forth of traditional appointment booking. If you have any questions or want to share how you use Calendly, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.